Tomasz, let us discuss why Innomotics is beyond IE4 for the water and wastewater industry. An industry where pumps need to run efficiently 24/7, not just on DOL operation, but of course on VSD operation.
Yes, Ryan, for sure. It's not only because we're offering a broad range of IE4 motors, but also they feature a great power-to-size ratio.
And this is also very important for the water applications, as the pump needs to be often installed in locations where space is very limited and restricted. Tomasz, perhaps you can explain a little bit more.
Exactly. So in these cases, it's not only about we are always fitting with IE4 motors to the IEC standard frame sizes, but also we go farther and we are offering the increased power line designs in IE4.
This is our IPL design.
Exactly. So it means it's one rating higher than the IEC says for the given frame size.
Which is great for the application. And I suppose also that we are saving the customer a lot of space on their site. In addition, we're using less material. So the motor product carbon footprint, combining two factors, first saving the CO2 emissions during its production phase, and also the CO2 emissions during its use phase. Perhaps you can tell us what other advantages there are.
Exactly. This is one of the advantages of the compact design, but there are some more. When the motor is not oversized in size, then it has a positive impact on the power factor and starting current. So our motors optimized for IE4 are really network friendly.
So thanks to our IE4 motor designs, Innomotics is beyond IE4.